Did you expect JM Fiang? Honestly, no. I did not expect any ships to happen. Kasi sa loob ng bahay, sa loob ng bahay, walang nagkakagusto with each other. Kaya, I never expected it. Did I expect Kyrene? Low-key, yeah, as a joke. Sabi ko, bro, we keep clinging on to each other. We definitely have like a ship. Sabi ni Rain. Sabi ko, bro, probably yeah. But also, I thought it'd be like as a joke, but you know, kasi, I don't know. I thought you guys understood that we were just kidding. Did you expect ship Jenny Kai? No. I only expected